Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Cullivan. We have been talking about features on animals and how some of the features help the animals survive in the wild. So today I'm going to read part of a book to you. The book is called Can You Tell an Ostrich from an Emu? And I want you to pay attention to the features on the ostrich and the features of the emu and tell me when we're finished how they are the same and what parts were different. Here we go. From head to toe. Ostriches and emus look a lot alike. They are both very, very large birds. And like all birds, they have feathers. But ostriches and emus cannot fly. Instead, they run on long, strong legs. So here they are. One of these is an ostrich and one of these is an emu. Wonder which one it is. The feathers on ostriches and emus are soft and loose, and the birds look shaggy. So that's kind of the same. This is what an emu's feathers look like up close. Both ostriches and emus have long necks. Their necks tower above tall grass, and the birds have huge eyes to watch for enemies. Now this picture, the yellow page, is an emu. It has a long neck and it has large eyes. This guy over here in the grass says you can tell these birds apart because this one is the ostrich. And an ostrich only has a few little fuzzy hairs on the top of his head, and you can see all his pink skin. So even though they both have long necks and big eyes, one's covered in feathers and the other is not. The dark feathers over here cover the emu's head. Its feathers blend in with the grass and the bushes. So his dark feathers help him hide in the grass and the bushes. Look at this ostrich. Can you count the toes on the ostrich's feet? Look at that. Each foot only has 2 toes. Here he is. This is the ostrich foot on the purple page. The ostrich's big toe has a long, sharp nail, but no nail grows on his other toe. Ostriches run and kick with their big, strong feet. So one toe has a nail and the other doesn't. But an emu has 3 toes on each foot, and they have a long nail on every toe. See? 1, 2, 3. The emu uses their sharp toenails to fight enemies. Black and white feathers on the male ostrich make the males easy to spot. The female, the girl ostriches, and the young ostriches are gray and brown, what makes them harder to see. So it's easier for the girl emu ostriches and the baby ostriches to hide because of their colors. Brown feathers cover the bodies of all adult emus, but the feathers of the emu chicks form large stripes. See the baby emus down there? They're striped. And that's because it helps them to hide in the grass better. The stripes help them disappear in the tall grass. Ostriches spread their huge wings to balance themselves when they run. Their wings can also help keep the sun and the rain off the baby chicks when they hold their feathers out. Boy ostriches lift their big wings to show off for the females. But emu's wings are tiny. They have thick feathers to cover them, and when an emu spreads its wings, when it's hot, it cools him off. So the ostrich has big wings, but the emu has small wings. All right, so we're going to stop there, boys and girls. This book you can get to read yourself on Epic. That's where Miss Cullivan got it. But now I want you to think about what was the same and what was different. There's an assignment on Class Kick for you that looks like this, creature features, and you can write down the different features that are the same and different about the 2 animals. Do your best work, boys and girls.